public outcry for people who want a better planet.
And there are powers that be that let the people panic.
Look at the Gulf of Japan, could they have really planned it?
Heading for the iceberg like the Titanic.
Atlantic mystery, Atlantis white from history. The truth about the pyramids in ancient Mayan prophecy.
Space Odyssey, look into the anomalies and you will find suppression of free energy technology.
A false democracy born out of a monopoly. Sacred knowledge robbery like the towers they toppling.
No stopping free.
Jay Brave,
Vito C,
coming from the inner me.
free energy.
The oil's running dry.
Our money's burning out.
Solar panels on the roof of the White House.
Hey,
We bringing on some real change.
Water catchment systems.
we collecting rain.
Time to gather round. The moment's now. How will it all turn out? And from the crowd, be the one who's the man who takes his time for free energy. Time to free energy.
Nikola Tesla perceived the earth as a conductor of acoustical resonance, and still his presence lives in the heart of visionary invention. Over 5,000 patents censored.
Researching zero-point energy, trying to get through delirium. The unified field theory of Nassim Harriman. And every day we carrying the burden of our past. Water fuel cars, we no longer need the gas.
So many solutions right here in your face. Raw earth energy, create what rejuvenates. Green walls and green roofs, grow plants on everything. Magnetic movements, don't need gas for anything. Spaceless rockets, doing our own research, paying out of pocket. Bike powered stages, you pedal in our rocket. Fully access to techie knowledge. Green power over big profit, you can't stop it.
Ever think what the wars have fought for? Ever dream that the world could be more? I stand my life, our earth, one chance we could do it together. Ever think what the wars have fought for? Ever dream that the world could be more? I stand my life, I vow one day we could do it together. Oh, yeah.
The Renaissance, third industrial revolution. Invention is the language of a worldwide solution. The body electromagnetic, plasma arc reactor, Stubblefield, Kautsky, Frost. Free the knowledge lost.
Some people wait for 2012 to watch the earth shift, but in New Mexico they out there building earth ships. We got the language wrong, I got a new twist. The lifting of the veil, that's the true apocalypse.
Some see free energy as the enemy, but my genetic memory remembering that that could never be. Thoughts float in the anti-gravity. A cubic foot of space can fuel the whole world annually.
You can choose a love or hate, we vote or maybe meditate. And every day we demonstrate so we can finally get it straight. Peace worldwide is the anthem that we celebrate. Free energy like the end of the movie Saint.
Time to gather round. The moment's now. How will it all